fire truck in concrete.
Wow! You're so cool!
Of course! I just need to mix it a little more. I think I...
Fire truck! Look over there! There's a fire!
Oh no! I must go put out the fire, but I can't move! No, no, no! I need to get out now! I'm stuck and there's a fire to stop!
Stay calm, fire truck! We need TinkerBot!
TinkerBot! Please help me!
Wow! Fire truck! How did you get stuck in wet cement?
TinkerBot, I need help! The cement is getting hard and I can't get out, but there's an emergency fire!
Don't worry. First, let's get you out. Hold on. All right. Pull.
I'm free! But I'm very dirty!
Time to go to the repair center.
I'm covered in cement! It feels awful!
First, rinse with clean water. Then add bubbles.
No more cement! That feels much better!
Rinse it all clean. Blow dry with the fan. Now wax and polish. Let's lift you up and check the wheels. Oh no! This one is badly damaged. It's time to change it.
Great! Now I can drive freely again!
Oh wow! Your fire ladder is rusty too! Let's use some rust remover. Now it's like new.
Awesome! Now it's time to put out the fire!
You did it, fire truck!
Fire truck, be extra careful when working at construction sites.
Thank you, TinkerBot! I'll remember that! I'll be more careful next time!
Bye-bye!